you're tired of asking your friend to do your makeup for you whenever you all go out, then this video is for you and I am here to help you. First step is to cleanse your face and then you moisturize. Please always moisturize even if you have oily skin. When you moisturize, your skin stays hydrated and will also prevent patchy makeup. Then you want to go in with primer. This will ensure your makeup stays all day. Pat the product into your skin, do not rub. Next is to go in with foundation. Apply a small amount where needed to build coverage and even out your skin tone. Gently blend out the foundation using a damp beauty blender or a foundation brush. For beginners, I would prefer use a damp beauty blender to blend out your foundation. Use a concealer 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation in areas you want to brighten. I'll be doing under my eyes only. Then use a damp beauty blender to gently blend it out. To set the concealer in place, use a setting powder. Use a powder puff. Tap off any excess powder at the back of your hand. Take whatever is remaining and then you gently press it into your skin to set the concealer in place. To set your foundation and to make sure it doesn't move around your skin, use a pressed powder and gently press it on your skin. Your foundation will stay in place all day. You don't want your makeup to look flat, so go in with a bronzer to add warmth to your face. Go in with some blush and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. Use an eyeshadow blending brush. Take a little bit of the bronzer and apply it all over your eyelid. Use an eyeliner pencil or kajal on your waterline to achieve that eye-popping effect. Get yourself a really good mascara to lift and add volume to your natural lashes. Use a brown lip liner to line and define the lips. Apply a neutral lipstick of your choice. Then you top with a clear or a neutral lip gloss. And lastly, go in with a setting spray to lock your makeup in place and make it last all day. And that's it. This is the finished look. Let me know what you think and I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to like and follow for more beginner makeup. Bye!